Understanding slide puzzle in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, slide puzzle. We'll dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. A slide puzzle is a specific type of puzzle that challenges a player to slide pieces in a certain sequence to achieve a desired end configuration. These puzzles typically consist of several pieces that can slide horizontally or vertically within a confined space. One space is left empty, allowing the pieces to be moved one by one. Slide puzzles can vary in complexity, from simple designs for children to intricate and challenging ones for adults. The concept of a slide puzzle dates back to the late 19th century. The most famous example is the 15 puzzle, invented by Noyes Chapman in 1874. This puzzle consisted of 15 numbered squares in a 4x4 grid with one empty space. The goal was to rearrange the squares into numerical order. Over time, slide puzzles have evolved into various forms and designs, incorporating images, letters, and different shapes. 1. I spent my weekend trying to solve a complicated slide puzzle. 2. The children's game room had a variety of slide puzzles. 3. She enjoys the mental challenge that a slide puzzle offers. Understanding how to use the phrase in different contexts can help in better grasping its meaning and usage. Slide puzzles are not just fun, they are also beneficial for cognitive development. They enhance problem-solving skills, improve memory, and boost spatial reasoning. Engaging with slide puzzles can be a great brain exercise for learners of all ages. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand what a slide puzzle is and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to challenge yourself with a slide puzzle every now and then for some fun brain exercise. See you in the next video.